Alright, welcome back. Nothing new happening yet again. I did move into my apartment. That's what's up. I don't have a TV or a couch, so it's pretty lame. I finally got internet today, which is what's up. So now I can finally watch shit on my phone. The service is just absolutely terrible when I'm there. But you already know we're back with another car wash episode of my life, I guess. I don't really know. This is pretty much all I got going on right now. My parents and my nephew are coming in this weekend. I have no idea what we're gonna do other than we are going offshore fishing, which is gonna be absolutely epic. I'm gonna try to video that. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to or not, but that should be a lot of fun. And then after that, we're going to get into work, get some money, coming back in because it pretty much all went out and there ain't much left there to survive on. Car meets are coming up. So I'm gonna try to make it to a lot of the car meets throughout the summer. I have to get some money coming in before I can start going. It cost way too much to go get my car, like way more than I thought it was going to. So that's why I'm still holding off on the car meets, and these gas prices are just crazy expensive. And I have to run 93 in it. That's what it's tuned on, and it is over $4.50 a gallon, which is just crazy. That's like California prices before all of this stuff, which is it's just mind blowing. I can't believe it. But we're gonna get into washing this thing. Rinse her off before we run out of time. We're getting kind of close and I'm out of quarters. Okay, naturally, as my luck would have it, I would run out of time as soon as I made it to the driver door and I had the door and the fender left. So I managed to find $2 more to get the machine going again, which allowed me enough time to scrub my front rim again because it gets brake dust really bad. Let's see if it's gonna start up. I did wash inside the fender wells, so it probably won't, but hey, look at that, prove me wrong. So I'm gonna pop over to, that's AutoZone right behind me, so I'm gonna pop over to their parking lot quick and hit that montage. It's a really nice Mustang. I'm sorry that little clip right there was so hard to watch, but I got you on my windshield mount, so it's really hard to like follow it.
Oh, I see them try, but they can't do what I do. What I do.
Like, that's how you get, because this thing's really not that exciting. It's an old piece of shit Dodge truck, but I didn't quite get all the brake dust out of it. Is what it is. Last Saturday when I was here with my my 350Z, this car wash behind me was crazy. It was like a car show almost. Like everybody rolled up. One person had their system going so loud that the whole car wash was rattling. And it was just a really good old time. I wish I would have got it on video now that I'm thinking about it, but there'll be another day. I don't really do much. I've been just hanging out and minding my own and just kind of letting everything get settled in slowly as hell, apparently way slower than I wanted. I'm ready to go back to working so I can get some money to build some cars. I do still have a F-150 back in South Dakota that I gotta get down here yet. I don't know how I'm gonna go about getting it down here or building it there. No idea, but we'll get that figured out later in life. The car meets and stuff, they literally have a car meet every weekend. Hopefully we're gonna lean more towards the car side starting here on, but you never know. Life's wild, life's a trip, and if anything exciting happens in my life, I like to document it on here. This is kind of like my way that I could look back when I'm older and see everything that I did when I was younger. I did notice that there is a couple more subscribers this week. Thank you. And if you're on this page because of the Foxbody LS swap, Banger Performance is the channel that the LS Foxbody is now on. And he reached out to me the other day and said, hey, do you know this car? I was like, man, another owner getting a hold of me. But it turns out he's a pretty cool guy. Sounds like he's going to keep it for a while. Banger Performance, link in the description. I'll catch you on the next one. And we're going to dive back into the car stuff. You just wait. Like maybe 1-2 videos. It'll be car meets. We just got to get just a little bit of money so we can afford this crazy ass expensive gas. And then we're going to be banging these car meets hopefully every weekend. So I'll see y'all there. And I got to bring my iMac into an Apple store to get it fixed because I'm a freaking idiot and I put the wrong disc in it to re-upload the software onto the computer. So y'all are stuck with my shitty choppy editing on my phone because I don't know how to work iMovie on my phone.